Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to discuss how to adjust color density in Adobe Photoshop. The way you adjust it in Photoshop, since it's a digital photo editing program, is a digital sort of, mock way of adjusting the color density. I'll go through that. So the first thing you're going to do, open up your image, go into Image, Adjustments, and select Color Balance. If you select the highlights and preserve luminosity, these three levers are now basically going to act like color density, and you can adjust them as you see fit. And that's basically it. From this point, it's basically up to your judgment, the way you'd like your color balance to lie in your picture. And click OK, and the changes will be committed. And that's basically how to adjust color density in Adobe Photoshop. My name is Justin Conway. Thanks.